Dear friends, welcome back to IFT channel, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock app lock. Actually we all use app locker. So guys, in here you can see my app locker. So guys, this app locker is easily you can unlock. So guys, and here you can see I set up my password in my gallery. So let me show you. So in here you can see this is my gallery. Already I set up my password. So but I can't open my password. Actually I forgot, that's why. Guys, in here you can see this is not open because I forgot password. That's why I searched wrong password. That's why this is not open. So, and today in this video I am gonna show you how to unlock without password your app locker. So this is really easy process. So before starting this process I will ask you something. Please subscribe my channel and keep a like that video. So let's start. So first of all you will have to go your setting option. So guys, first of all you have to go setting. So actually just wait. So guys, first of all you have to go setting. Actually I'm already come in here. So after coming in here, then will be show this kind of interface. Then you have to just cool down. Then you have to find one option which is app manager. Just click on it. After clicking in here, then will be show this kind of interface. So in here you can see this is my app locker. So just I wanna unlock this. I want to unlock my password without I want to unlock my gallery password without any kind of password. So for unlocking, just click on it. Then after that you have to, in here you can see froze stuff and uninstall it and clear data. So just you have to click clear data. Then you have to click OK option. Then guys, it's automatically will be reset. So then just wait guys. Then after clear your app data, then just get back from here. So guys, after clearing your app data, so then in here you can see my gallery. Actually I have already set up my password. Then I reset, clear my app data. So and just click on it. Then after that in here you can see guys my password is already. So guys, in here you can see my password is already reset. So if you follow this video, that time you can unlock without password your. So guys, you can unlock any kind of password, any kind of mobile without password. So by this process you can unlock any kind of mobile, any kind of lock app. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. So if you have any kind of problem, then please let me. I will try to my best to help you. So thanks for watching this video.